We know enough about resumes, isn't it? Just to recap an important point. A resume is an elimination tool for recruiters to sieve out resumes those are irrelevant. It saves time as recruiters can't meet every person who applies for the job. So how do you stay relevant? The only way is to keep updating your resume with the skills you've learned and the activities you have participated in. Before we jump into the topic, let me invite you to do a small test on your existing resume. Does your resume answer these questions? Does it clearly and quickly communicate to the employer that you can do the job? Do your strengths come across clearly? Does everything on your resume support the job you are targeting? Should anything be removed or replaced? Does it really sell your skills? You'll be surprised that you will want to make some changes to the document. With the battle for talent heating up, each company wants to recruit the best and later retain them too. Opportunities can come in the form of friends, mentors, chance meetings, and people from your own extended network. An updated resume saves you time from any kind of hurried efforts to showcase your best strengths. When you're in the job market, ensure that you're cued in well and know your resume inside out. Here is some information that you ought to keep updating. When you update your resume with no visible pressure, you'll be able to articulate your points better and will not make mistakes, be it factual or typos. Add your achievements, especially those which highlight your alignment with your career goals. Include any training that you've undergone. If it was conducted by a noteworthy professional body, mention that. Lastly, certifications. We've already discussed in earlier modules that we need to customize our resume to highlight our skills most suitable for the job we have applied for. If the certification does not directly highlight a technical skill but has universal application like first aid provider certification, do include it in all your applications. The key to this capsule is spend some time with your resume each week. It'll ease the tension during interviews, and of course, the confidence you gain with the familiarity is unbeatable. Go ahead, make an effort, find the time, and make those updates in your resume. All the best.